Now let's jump into the demo. From our Config Manager console in our Assets and Compliance node, I have our users selected. From a user account, I can go ahead and right-click the user, go to our right-click tools menu, and this will show all of our available right-click tool user management tools. So you'll notice that some of these tools are grayed out, indicating that these are available only to enterprise users. So the first available tool that we have is the Change Password tool. If we open the tool, our interface allows us to set a new password as well as confirm it. We can set that password to be required to change at the next login. We can disable the password never expires option. We can unlock the user account if it is locked. Once all of our information is input, we can hit the Change Password button and that will go through. The next tool available for us is the Enable/Disable Account tool. When running this tool, it will let us know the status of the account if it is enabled or disabled, and will ask us if we want to enable or disable that account. It's probably best if I don't disable my own account. The next available tool for us is the Security Groups tool. Opening this tool will give us an interface with our primary group, direct group membership, as well as nested group membership. When we click the Add New Direct Group, we will get the Select Groups interface, where we can type in the name of a group and search for it. From here we can select the group that we want to add our account to, and then hit the Add to Selected Security Groups button below. The next tool available to us is the Unlock Account tool. This tool provides a quick way for us to unlock user accounts. The final user tool that we have available is the User Devices tool. Opening this tool will show all devices that the selected account is currently logged into. We will also get information such as the username, computer name, primary device, date last used, number of logins, and the total time logged in. Now let's jump into the user collection tools. Hopping to the user collections node, from here we can select a user collection, right-click it, and open our right-click tools menu where we have add users to collection or remove users from collection. Let's go ahead and add some users to my test collection here. We'll click into our user list here. This is the users that we would like to add to this collection. In this box, we can use the % as a wildcard. Once we have the users that we would like to add to the collection listed, we can hit start. So I have successfully added 2 accounts to my user collection. If I want to get rid of those accounts, we can go ahead and right-click, go to right-click tools menu, and hit remove users from collection. I'll go ahead and pop in the same information in the user list here. Once that's complete, I'll hit start. We'll see that we have successfully removed those accounts from this collection. That covers the user management tools that are available in Right-Click Tools Community Edition.